Yeah, yeah. That mostly I say, when I say cinema is sound and picture flowing together through time. So there's these sequences. Time is real important. Are things going slow? Are they going fast? And how is the sound and the picture, working together? So it's kind of really critical. And most often the sound comes after the picture. I mean, unless you're shooting dialogue, you're getting the sound of that at the same time you're shooting the picture. But other sounds are put in later for various reasons, and I sort of break that down into three categories. One is sound effects, and I say like opening a door. You want to have an opening of a door, and you have a library. Libraries exist now with thousands and thousands of door opening sounds, but you want to get the right door opening sound. And the only way, here's another thing about this, a feeling of whether it's correct or not. This thing of how do you know if it's correct or not? How do you know? This thing is called intuition. It's an intuitive sort of thing. And it's the number one tool of the artist, intuition. There's an ocean of it within. You get more and more and more of that, and then you can see when something's not correct and see a way, or see a way to make it correct if it isn't correct. And it's a beautiful thing. But anyway, there's thousands of doorknob sounds, but this one, that one particular one will just sit in that picture and marry to that picture. And you just love to hear that doorknob turn. It's perfect in there. Then there are more and more abstract sound effects that approach music, and these are so beautiful for mood. These are start with like room presence, a presence in a room that gives a feeling at the same time it's a presence. It gives a feeling. And then there's other sound effects that are abstract, but then there's music. And music is, as we all know, packed with emotion and can, just tear your heart out or do so many fantastic things. But whatever you put in there has to marry to the picture, has to marry to the picture. And that's the tricky thing. If it doesn't work in there, it will break the picture. It'll break the flow, and people will come out of that world. If it is correct, it'll make the world even greater, and people will love being in there. And they'll follow the story. They'll be in there. They'll just love being in there.